हेलो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD alphabets. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for cow. C for cow. D for doll. D for doll. E for ear. E for ear. F for frog. F for frog. A B C D E F 1 purple color. Purple color. 2 black color. Black color. 3 pink color. Pink color. 4 green color. Green color. 5 red color. 6 sky blue color. 7 orange color. 8 yellow color. 9 blue color. 10 red color. 11 pink color. 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12